chicken
Watch
whisperer.
Mama. She's the chicken woman. Oh, Tracy, good job.
Ollie, do me a favor.
Ollie, come here, Ollie.
Come on, Ollie.
That's the end of that.
Someone get her some more wine.
Somebody get some wine?
Somebody get her some more wine.
Hey,
You would have had it.
good job.
We should have closed that off.
Yeah, I'm going in.
She's going in.
Uh-oh.
This could be really interesting.
You going in?
Take the
I don't
baby. I'm
know.
going to go get a box.
Hold this.
I think she got a box.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay.
He went back up.
There he is.
It's okay, I kind of like it
Can we
outside.
close the door so he can't get back in?
Yeah, I just want him in there. I just want Ollie not to jump at him. If I go slow, I think he'll be all right. No, you stay out. No, honey, it's dangerous. You watch mommy, okay?
Get a first aid kit.
Go mama.
It's your birthday.
It's your birthday.
Don't scare him.
You got him.
Go, Tracy, go.
Attack her.
Now!
Grab his legs. Gotta get his legs, son. Grab his legs. Get those spurs. There you go.
Look at that, Tracy's wicked tough.
Look at Tracy got a baby. She had a little baby.
Give me that ball.
That is one
Come
tough
on,
one.
Rooster, we'll go home.
Look how tough
Look
that
at this
Tracy
new
is.
rooster. Isn't he beautiful?
You better.
Hey,
We
Tracy.
got our new rooster.
Okay, Tracy.
Wow.
Tracy.
you
Ollie,
believe
come.
it, Jake?
Ollie, come. Come here.
Come here, Al.
Dear, you in there, buddy.
We're gonna take
Wow.
our rooster home.
Yeah,
Where's my
Tracy's
prop?
really tough.
Tracy.
She's crazy.
Woohoo!
She's crazy, Jake.
I am the chicken whisperer.